Welcome to the Zaria's Creations YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, just popped in for a quick video that I was about to open up my Amazon package, but as you can see, I opened it up, but I didn't open it up. I said I was going to do more of my hauls. This is a very mini Amazon haul for the crafter and planner in you. So I said these are items that somebody may be interested in. So let me just go ahead and do a quickie video. Literally on the floor, opened it up, like literally, like y'all, can y'all see me? I'm literally on the floor. Yeah, that's me. And I was like, hold up, rewind, backtrack, don't open it all the way. Let's hit the record button. So guys, this is my very mini Amazon haul. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will post the link down below. If you are interested in any of these items, you will be able to make purchases of any of these items. Well, since we see this one first, let's open up this. These are a pair of, what is this? Pair of, these, not even a pair. They're the things that go in these. Got these for Christmas. And I have some black ones at work. And I wanted to get little trinkets for my Crocs. That's what they're called, Crocs. And I'll actually leave that in my Amazon store. And these are Black Lives Matter themed. These are the Black Lives Matter themed. I'm going to get some bling ones as well. But I got these ones first. And they are rubber, I presume, because they can bend and fluctuate. And I guess that's good for when you like for walking. So let me turn all of these over. This one is a couple, don't need that one. This one, no offense, but I don't need it. This one is a African-American woman. This one says Black King. Probably give that to my son-in-law because he also has Crocs. This is another Black King. This is a couple. He probably ended up getting these couple ones because he's married to my daughter. Let me go ahead and separate it. This one says period. Period. This one said, oh yeah, I like this one. Black, blessed, and beautiful. This one is just a cool black queen. This one just says queen. This one I showed earlier, Black Lives Matter. This one says Black Educated Queen. That would be me. This one says melanin. This one says vote. This is a little girl. I wonder if my granddaughter has one. Has a pair of Crocs. This one says power, which actually is our theme at church. So keeping that one. Melanin magic. This one says dope. And I'm assuming that this one is to represent queen. It's a crown. Dope black girl. And then another queen. So I'm actually going to order some bling ones. It did not come with instructions, so I'm not really sure how these go. Oh wait, I was trying to screw it off, but does it not screw off and you just kind of like force it in? There you go. You force it into the slot. All right, so these are, I'm not even gonna do all of these on camera, but I just want to show you guys how yeah, how these go and how these work. The ones I have at work are black, so it would match that more. But these are only the ones that I wear at home, so I'm not really particular about the color of these. But I may switch and put like the bling, more bling on the blue Crocs, and then move these over to the black ones. All right, so enough of that. All right, so let's gather these. Oh, I gotta make sure I give these to my son. My daughter is probably not going to allow him to put these on. She didn't want him to have the Crocs to begin with. So, yeah. However, I am going to hold them aside for him. All right. This is for the bullet journal lover in you. I got these stencils from Amazon as well. And these are great for those who like to bullet journal. I just started memory journaling, where you can use these inside of your bullet journal. So I'm going to show you guys my bullet journal. So here is my bullet journal, my memory bullet journal that I started with my birthday. So I started this in November, and that is me celebrating me. And then I just had a couple of outings associated with my birthday, my girls. So I actually used my HP sprocket to print out the pictures, and then I just glued them in, wrote a little blurb about that, and then I wrote a little something to myself. Then we had another event in November, and then this one I did in dedication to Irene Cara, who was my very first idol. She was in the movie Fame, and I was definitely affected by her death. And so I kind of told a little bit of what she meant and how she meant to me. And I'm showing you guys this. It doesn't matter if you guys see this or not. Once I reread it, if I think this bothers me, I'll cover it up. But I was so affected by her death. I made a sweatshirt on that day that says "Fame, in him I'll live forever." And then I just did something else. So that there is my my little tribute. So I really was attracted to the stencils because of this one, because I'm starting to read more. And so I wanted to be able to journal about the books I was reading, although I didn't start writing in the book about this, but that was the one that actually caught my attention. So I asked the person who I saw, where did she get it from? She sent me the link, and I'll also leave the link down below. I am an Amazon affiliate. If you purchase from my link, it is at no extra cost to you. However, Amazon will share a portion of the sales with me. This one is for a planner, and that is your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then there's another one in here that continues on. Yeah, and so this is a set of 24, and this one is a habit tracker. I'll show you guys this one. Oops. I'll show you guys this habit tracker. This one here is a habit tracker. So you write your habit on this side, and then you just check off whether or not during the week that you did it. So let me just show you a blank page. So here is a blank page. My son has music in the background, so if this ends up being an overdub, that is why. So here you would just hold it up to your book. I have lines on mine on this one. And so you would just take a pen, and you would just outline each one, and then you can just write in it. And so that is how you would use these stencils. And again, there's 24 of these. The link will be in the description down below, and I'll put these back later. Okay, so last but not least, and up next, I'm mad that this was already open, because I opened it due to the fact that this really wasn't visible. And actually, let me just do a visual check to make sure you guys can see all of this. I took a lot. I didn't want the legs to be in it. So this is the Play Money, Play, Learn, and Earn. And the reason why I got this is because if you've been following me for a while, you know I used to do the budget planning, but I had stopped doing the budget planning because I didn't carry cash. I always use my debit card, and when I budgeted from my debit card, and I paid my gas, my groceries, everything from my debit card. I would just keep a list of what I was actually to purchase with it. And so I believe that money is dirty. It goes from hand to hand to hand to hand. I believe it's dirty, and part of what helped extend the penny a little bit. My children work, well, two of the boys used to work in a credit union, always touching money, and they've had to shut down numerous times because different employees were testing positive. So I wanted to get this so that I can go back to doing budget planning and do it with monies. Ha ha ha. All right, so here is the Play Money, and this is the lid. And so what you missed in the first video is I am going to attach this so that I can keep the lid closed. In here is, number one, a checkbook, which I think is really great, although I don't know too many people who still use a checkbook. I don't even know if my kids worked in the bank, so they know how to use a checkbook, but I don't think outside of that they would have known. But it's definitely a great learning tool that I also make use to teach my granddaughter. They have coins, mock coins in here. This one is a quarter. Looks just like the quarter. And on the back, they did really good, like getting this. Now it's very lightweight. It's plastic. It's not metal at all. So that they have the quarters. They have the dimes. The pennies are really cute, although it does not. The color does not symbolize the penny, but the penny is really. Okay, there's my son and his voice. So yeah, that is the penny. And then we have the nickel. And here they have 2 debit credit cards. These are not real. Do not try these. They're not real. But this also will teach them about credit and debit. This money, y'all, it came wrapped. But of course, me and my video skills didn't have this right. Should have had my camera upside down so I can see that I was actually in frame. But look at the money. It almost looks real. You know, somebody moving real fast. You might not, if it wasn't for this, you wouldn't even realize. So they got $1. They got the $5 bill. Y'all, from the back, it really looks real. They have, hold on, the $10. The $20. You know what? My son just came up here. I'm about to ask him what he think, because he used to work at a bank. Dude, come here. Do this money look real?
I mean,
it looked like real fake money.
Inclined.
Well, not that, but look at the back.
I guess.
I said he used to work in a credit union, y'all, so it looked like real fake money.
Oh, you record.
I'm gonna have to overdub a lot of it. I wasn't in frame. So that looks like real fake money. So here is just some instructions on learn about money. Something that you could teach your kids if you're using the money game. I won't need, well, I may use it with my granddaughter. And then we have the checkbook. So I already have It's like if you've seen the acrylic apparatus where people place their money in. So when I do the videos, I'm going to actually calculate how much I made, and I'm going to use play money. I'm going to use play money to show y'all, because why not? I want to get back to doing those videos because it actually helped me to stay on target and to stay on budget. And then these are just to help keep things close. So here's something that I wanted to try. So y'all remember this video, right? Y'all remember this video. And it came with a debit card. I want to see if these will actually make it work. These are a little thinner, but I'm going to put it... Oh, shit. Let me put the code in and see if it'll open up. It sure did. It sure did. Let me see if the other one does. And there's no sensor in there. Oh, yeah. Yep. So I don't have to worry if I lose the original debit card. I don't even have to worry because I got a fake one. I don't know if a regular ATM card... Let's see. Let's see if this regular ATM card will work. It probably will. Oh, yeah. So it don't even matter if I lost the card or not. I have multiple means to get this bank open to get my money. All right, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to be the first to know when there is a new video posted to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching up until now. I appreciate all of you, and I love you all. Be safe. And until next time, peace. Ciao.
Be sure to follow us on all social media. Thanks for watching.